enters into the HR, segment, they get the exposure of recruitment. In recruitment section, the first thing what we let's say you have a vacancy in your organization, and for that vacancy you are supposed to define, you are supposed to give an advertisement and identify that what type of person you need to fill up that to fill up that job role. So this entire process we do in the we call it as job analysis. Job analysis, you can consider it as a kind of a procedure where the everything related to the job role we try to identify, and we try to incorporate in a very initial stage. So let's say there is a job role of, let's say, marketing manager. So that vacancy gets initiated from the marketing department, that we need one more, we need somebody in the marketing department, and we are looking for somebody who is who can perform the job role of a salesperson, let's say. Now, once this job role comes to the HR team, the HR team starts identifying the detailed content, because you can't advertise with this much of information. You need a lot of information, that what type of person you want, what will be that person's qualification, what will be the characteristics, what are the attributes you want in that job requirement. So this includes both the job related and the person related perspectives. And we do the entire analysis, talking to the hiring manager, talking to the departmental heads. Then if there is some similar vacancy already, some similar job role is already there, then identifying that job role, that what the person does, and all that data we try to collect. And based on that data, we create two documents. One is called job description, another document is called job specification. So this is, if we have to define the job analysis, this refers to the process in which we are trying to study the different operations, duties, and organizational aspect of a job in order to find out the right person, or to drive a specification about the person, so that you will have the clarity that what you want that person to perform, and what kind of qualities you are looking in that person. It's a process. So this process requires few steps to be followed. So job analysis has two, as I mentioned, it has two segments in which we try to collect and accommodate the data. The first section is called as job description. Job description is about job, like what that role accommodates, what will be the title, position, location, duties, reporting environment, any other job related specific information, like if you want any specific specifications which requires to perform that job. So job description is the description of the work, the title. So like anybody can fill that position who wants to work on so and so criterias, while job specification is about that human, that what criteria the organization is looking for in a human to fulfill that position. So job specification is about the human qualification, human criteria, like education, work experience, any other skills, training, personal characteristics, any sort of physical characteristics, like if you are required any specific height or excuse me. So if you require any specific kind of height, weight, or any other like eyesight, or any other physical requirement, any other educational scale, experience related requirement in the human. So description is about role, specification is about human. These two documents we prepare, and these two documents collaboratively fulfill these information, like what will be the recruitment and selection process you are going to adopt, how you are going to do the workforce planning, what will be the training and development related needs, requirements for that job. So let's say you want to hire somebody with a very specific let's say specific quality, which there are chances that those qualities might not be available much in the market. So you need to hire a person who has very close specification, and then you can opt for training and development. What type of compensation and benefits that job role is going to include, like the salaries, like other benefits which you are going to offer. Also, health and safety related perspectives also you need to identify. Then how you are going to evaluate and manage the performance of that candidate, like doing the performance appraisal and job evaluation. So collaboratively, you have to identify these parameters. You have to create two documents, job description and job specification documents. So like if like all of you might have applied for certain jobs in your career. So whatever document or whatever that job post, advertisement in commerce, you see the information in two segments, job description segments and job specification segments. Though we don't focus much on that in our advertisement, because that's not what we do when we are looking for a job. But yes, you will find one section entirely talking about job, that what this job will be, what are the requirements, what will be the position, location, company related, duties related information. And then you identify the information related to the person, like qualification, any other specification related to the human they are looking for. So that's how the job analysis in total talks about two documents and these much information. So when you are creating when you are working in a job analysis section, ideally you are working on all these parameters in together, and then you categorize the information wherever it is needed according to the requirement. So this is the meaning part of job analysis. Anything which is coming in anybody's mind they want to share or reflect? All good? Okay. So here we are moving ahead with the methods
Sorry,
of collecting job.
Sorry,
Yes.
Doctor. In the previous slide, so for the recruitment, they are looking for the job description and job specification. However, the other parties, the other factors in the right side, are they related to the job description and the job specification, or this is generally for the onboarding of the person into the organization?
So this is so these are part which you are seeing looking at here. This is a part of job analysis. So like job analysis is a very big process. So we try to identify all these information while in a recruitment advertisement, information related to these things like description and specification, that do not in complete detail. So it goes into the advertisement, but the organization